Entrepreneurship was such a huge part of my life, and I learned so much from it. I gained so many incredible experiences from it. And that's something that I would love to empower every single student to have that opportunity and to have those experiences. Because you learn something that no one can ever give to you. You're hands-on, you're doing your own thing. And I think a lot of times people look at entrepreneurship and maybe they have an idea, but they don't know what to do with it, or they're afraid to get started because they're afraid to fail. And I think my hope would be that anyone who hears my story or any other entrepreneur's story is that they realize that we're just normal people, and we, just like anyone else, had an idea but decided to act on it. And it takes courage, it takes diligence, but at the end of the day, it's the most rewarding thing possible. And that is something that I want to really empower and encourage students. If you have an idea, don't let that just sit on the sidelines or put it on the shelf. Actively pursue it, do something about it, talk to somebody. There's so many resources out there, and it's a really incredible opportunity.